In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase your luck here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Speaking of increasing my luck, getting that apple to spawn inside of the tree that I can't run into, or I guess this is a rock actually, is not very lucky. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up your upgrade menu in the game, and you're going to want to specifically go into your luck. You could spend coins to actually increase your luck permanently through these luck tiers right here. I would definitely focus on these whenever you have the opportunity to, because higher luck gives you better chances at getting rare slimes. You can also go into loot, for example, and then increase this luck boost as well, which allows, the enemies themselves to drop those luck boosts, as you probably saw me pick up at the beginning of the video. What you want to do whenever you get those is go into your items and find it and hit use, and then it's going to increase your luck for a small duration of time. That's actually the full process right there. Now, some boosts are temporary, like the one that I did just activate, so keep that in mind. But as you can see, it's literally activating immediately and immediately becoming pretty helpful. Let's see if we get something good right here. I already have like 4 of these guys, so that's not particularly useful, but whatever. But yeah, that's the full process. Just make sure you are upgrading whenever you have the ability to. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.